Jai Srimannarayana. First sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Bhuya eva Mahabaho Srunu me Paramam Vachaha Itteham Priyamanaya Vakshyami Hitakamyaya. Listen to Bhagavad Gita with rapt attention. Every word is supreme because every word is coming from Supreme. Every word is uttered by Sri Krishna Paramatma only for your welfare. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma to make him happy within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall listen to your Bhagavad Gita with rapt attention. I shall realize that every word is supreme because it is coming from you. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall realize that every word is uttered by you is for my welfare. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadravasamyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupeta krutyam Dvaipayano viraha katara juhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 111th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying like this, O Parikshin Narendra, all the Gopikas came to Yashoda Devi and complaining about Krishna's playful activities, saying like this, O Yashoda, when we are involved in our own household activities, your Krishna comes to our homes, enters into a room. If that is so dark, what he is doing is Dhruta Maniganam Swangamardha Pradipam. In order to have light, he is using his own ornaments. The brightness that comes out of his ornaments gives him the light, and in that light he goes into that dark room and he finds all the milk, yogurt, butters, everything, and he is stealing everything. Like that, he is making so many plans in order to steal all of our milks and yogurts and butters. And when we catch him red-handed at any point, then when we say, Krishna, you are a thief, then what he is doing is he is taking out his hand and he in return says, no, I am not thief, you are all thieves. Like that he is doing, and he is making all the nasty things in our homes where we keep it so pure. He is doing all the nasty things like leaving urine and all that. And then he is leaving. See, look at Yasoda now, how he is acting. He is sitting in front of you as if he is so good. Oh, Yasoda, and also what he does, ఆడంజని వీరల పెరుగోడక నీసుతుడు ద్రావి ఒక ఇంచుక తా కోడలి మూతింజరిమిన కోడలు మృచ్చనుచునత్త కొట్టెల తాంగి. He does what he does. Sometimes he goes into a house, he steals all the yogurt, he drinks all that, and while going away from that home, he puts that yogurt on the mouth of the daughter-in-law of that house. When that daughter-in-law is in sleep, he leaves like that. So what happens early in the morning, when mother-in-law gets up and sees that daughter-in-law's mouth is filled up with yogurt, then mother-in-law scolds her, beats her, thinking that, saying that you are a thief, you are stealing all the yogurt and drinking everything. So like that, O Yasoda Devi, your son Krishna creating quarrels in the homes, making all the homes nasty, stealing all the things. Like that, Gopikas complaining to Yasoda Devi. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, 1st sloka. Bhuya eva mahabaho. Shrunu me paramam vachaha. Yatteham priyamanaya. Vakshyami hitakamyaya. Bhuya eva mahabaho. Shrunu me paramam vachaha. Yatteham priyamanaya. Vakshyami hitakamyaya. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.